Hey there, Dotson Geist with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I got the opportunity to show you our brand new 2026 Scout 220 XSF. You'll see she's in the two-tone hull color, so white bottom, black hull. I know that's always hard to see it sometimes in photos. We've got the Mercury white color matched V6 200 with digital throttle and shift. We've got the new Sombrella interior, which we'll show you from inside, but also the color matched sea decking on the both swims on port and starboard. Let's take a step on inside. So a couple of key changes we see on the new 220 XSF I'll highlight. One is the longer swim platforms, both port and starboard. You'll see we have that standard starboard entry with walk-through door. We have our freshwater fill for our freshwater washdown system we have on board. Again, that color match V6, but also we have our new live well option in the back. So it's got a non-skidded deck hatch, kind of like the rest of the back of the boat. That lifts up with tension hinges, and we have the clear aquarium so you can look at that bait from the inside with the light blue gel coat on the inside. Pull out stern seat. A little stiff when they're brand spanking. You'll see that, again, that Sombrella new standard interior. We have our bilge access just underneath there. Our standard leaning posts, rod racks across the back, cup holders down below, and as well as holding tray with our igloo. Looking at the helm, we've optioned this one with the ultra-wide new Garmin. So you'll see that full glass screen there. Standard Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Quick push buttons, but as well as there's digital integrated switching like our bigger models have. So that's a standard option on our Scouts that we love to see. We've opted this one with the wireless phone charger. We have additional USBs and USB chargers right there in the little glove box. We have the C-Star trim tab system, Mercury vessel view display, tiltable helm, standard Lumar steering wheel, and again that digital throttle and shift from Mercury. This boat is equipped with a razor light, so we have a separate switch over here for that. Looking above, we've got another glove box, again with the new integrated T-top for our 220 XSF. Now has integrated speakers, both front and back, and as well as spreader lights front and back. And as well as a nice courtesy light, like our larger Scout models have. We also opted this one with the optional rod rack on the back side of the hardtop. So again, a little more fishier functions. As we cruise over here, you'll see it's a nice large head. You have the option to add a porta potty. We left this one wide open just for more storage. As we move to the front, you'll see the standard seats. I'm 6 foot. For reference, drop-in pop-up backrest, and as well as a lounge seat with a storage cover, or shipping cover down below there, but that is a cooler box and as well as a fish box. The helm and the lounge seat here is comfortable for two with armrests built in, cup holders conveniently placed. Again, more bow speakers and as well as speakers up in the hardtop. So this boat's got 6 JL Audio upgraded speakers on this particular boat. We also optioned this one with the cup holder / rod holders. So if you wanted to add a stern or a bow shade later on, you have that ability, or we can still fish and have the cup holders. Standard anchor locker, tension hinges again on our lids so those don't come slamming down. Nice polished fiberglass. Pop-up cleats throughout, and as well as storage underneath both port and starboard. New magnet to the bottom of the cushions, so when we just drop that in, everything secures nice and easy. If you guys have any more questions about our new 2026 Scout 220 XSF, please give us a call at 843-747-1889. Again, my name's Dotson Geist with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching.